Welcome to today's lesson. Today, we'll explore how to invert key value pairs in JavaScript in a JavaScript object. This technique is useful for data transformation tasks where we need to swap keys with values without modifying the original object. Let's get started. The goal is to transform an object by swapping its keys and values. If multiple keys share the same value, they should be grouped together in an array. Additionally, we can apply a transformation function to modify the inverted keys. This function works by looping through all object keys using object.keys method, and then using the reduce function to build a new object. If multiple keys have the same value, they are grouped into an array. Additionally, we can transform the values before using them as keys. The process starts by extracting object keys, swapping values into new keys, grouping duplicate values, and optionally applying a transformation. The final result is a new object where original values become keys. In this example, the function correctly groups keys that share the same value. When the transformation function is applied, the keys are modified before being used in the new object. This approach is useful in cases like reversing lookup tables, aggregating data by category, and formatting objects for APIs. By swapping keys and values, we can easily manipulate data structures to fit different requirements. In summary, this technique enables dynamic key value swapping while preserving original data integrity. It is efficient, flexible, and has multiple applications in real-world scenarios. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.